Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn multiplication of numbers with a series of ones. In that we are learning multiplication of any number with 11. So first I will write the answers, after that I will discuss about the trick. So 32 into 11 is nothing but 352. 43 into 11 is nothing but 473. 64 into 11 is nothing but 704. 652 into 11 is nothing but 7172. 3102 into 11 is nothing but 34122. So these are the answers. I have written these answers within seconds. You can also write all these answers within second once you learn the technique. So now we are going to learn the technique. For example, we want to multiply 32 into 11. How to write this answer within seconds? So here the technique is very simple. So first you write 3 as it is. Okay, 3 plus 2 is nothing but 5. Finally 2 as it is. So 352 is the answer for this question. For example, you want to multiply 43 into 11. What is the answer? First 4 as it is. 4 plus 3 is nothing but 7. Finally 3 is as it is. So what we have to do? 4, 3 is the common thing. 4 plus 3 is nothing but 7. So 473 is the answer. For example, if you want to multiply 64 into 11, 6 and 4 are the common, but 6 plus 4 is nothing but 10. 10 means 0 here, 1 here. 1 plus 6 is nothing but 7, 0, 4. 7 not 4. Multiplication of any number with 11 is very simple. One more example. 52 into 11. 5, 2 common. 5 plus 2 is nothing but 7. 572. One more example. For example, 98 into 11 we have to do. 9, 8 common. 9 plus 8 is nothing but 17. 7 here, 1 should be written here. 17 means don't write 17 as it is. 7 right here, 1 should be forwarded here. So how much total? 8, 7, 9 plus 1 is nothing but 10. 1078. So like that we can write the answers within fraction of seconds. So now we will see some 3-digit numbers. 123 into 11. So how to do this? Very simple. You start from here. 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. Finally you write units place value as it is, 1353. For example, you want to write 1 2 3 4 into 11. Start with from 1. Okay, 1 here as it is. 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. 3 plus 4 is nothing but 7. Units place value as it is. Like that we can write multiplication of any number in fraction of seconds. So now I will tell you one more example for you. Okay, here is the example. 652 into 11. 652 into 11. So first we start from 6. 6 as it is. 6 plus 5 is nothing but 11. 11 means don't write 11 like this. So 1 here, 1 upon 6. 5 plus 2 is nothing but 7. 2 is units place value, write it as it is. So now add these. 6 plus 1 is nothing but 7, 1, 7, 2. This is the final answer. So like that we can write multiplication of any number within fraction of seconds once you understand this trick. I hope you understood this trick. So I will give you some questions as a homework for you. So try these questions, write these answers in the comment section. Okay. So first question for you, 41 into 11. Second question for you, 303 into 11. Third question for you, 1309 into 11. Question number 4 for you. 2901 265 into 11. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.